Hey everyone, it's Vinny Cus from ShellHub team. Today I'm going to walk you through how to set up ShellHub Community Edition. This is our free, open source distribution that allows you to manage and access your Linux devices from anywhere. The code is licensed under Apache 2.0 and is available on GitHub. To follow along, you'll need just 3 things. Number 1, a Linux host. You'll need a server with ports 80 and 22 open. Number 2, Docker Engine and Docker Compose. ShellHub runs in containers, so make sure these are installed. Number 3, Git and Make, which you're probably already familiar with. Now we're going to set up the Linux host. For this tutorial, I'll use a PC running Ubuntu server, but it could be any other distro or in an AWS server, DigitalOcean, whatever. Let's get started. First, we will look for the latest release of ShellHub on GitHub. Clone into host. Now go to the clone directory and run make keygen to generate the required cryptographic keys. After that, run make start. It launches all ShellHub services using Docker. This usually takes a minute or less. When it's done, run the setup which is inside bin directory. You'll get a link to access the setup. Open it in your browser. Once it's open, please fill the onboarding form. It helps us a lot. Now, set up your administrator account. This account will be responsible for creating namespaces, manage users, accept devices, and control the roles. You'll be redirected to the login page. Let's sign in. Great! Now just follow the tour and add the first device by copying the generated command line into the remote device. The installer will automatically find the best way to install the ShellHub agent in your remote device. As soon as the ShellHub agent reaches the server, ShellHub will ask if you want to accept the new device. Let's connect into our first device. Go to Devices and click Connect. Fill the device credentials and click Connect. And you're in. It's simple, isn't it? Feel free to leave a comment below. Visit our GitHub repository and our website. Links on description. Thanks for watching.